Today we'll talk about how can you select ringtone on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. And all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on message settings, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on ringtone here, just click on it. So then here can you select your ringtone in this list here. When you're done, just click here on save here to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.